Hello everyone, it's time to give you all some very interesting tips which will actually help you to improve your speaking English part. And in this video, I am going to tell those interesting tips, those DIY tips, means do it yourself, so that actually you can feel the difference of learning English. This is part 3. If you haven't watched first and second part, do watch it now. Links are given in the description box. Let's begin our video. First tip is become part of a conversation group. Yes, becoming a part of a good conversation group. When I say conversation group, it means a good English speaking part, a good English speaking people in that group, so that you all can have fun in the English. Basically, hota kya hai? You all have heard that a person is the average of 5 people that he or she surrounds with. So basically that thing works here. आप जिस तरह के लोगों के साथ रहोगे आप वैसे बन जाओगे. उसका सेकंड बेनिफिट ये है कि मान लो किसी दिन आपका मन नहीं कर रहा टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, टू प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश. So when you will enter into that group, when you will start conversing in the group, other people will uplift your mood. So you can learn on that day as well. So become a part of a good English speaking conversation group. Second interesting tip is conduct a small talk in English. You can conduct it online as well as offline. Whenever 3 or 4 friends will sit together, just say them that okay, for 10 minutes or for 5 minutes we're going to speak in English. Whatever it is, wherever you're sitting, you can try this. It's actually very funny. Third is learn some good English tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are those long lines or phrases that actually make your mind boggle that what to say, how to say. Fourth is record yourself while speaking. Enjoy it later. This tip I used to tell to my IELTS students, because whenever they say, sir, how we can improve our speaking part, I usually prefer them to record themselves and then hear that recording, because that recording will tell you where you're lacking and where you're good at. So record yourself and hear it later, improve yourself after listening those recordings and enjoy. Last but not the least, retell a story or a joke in English. Yes, we often used to tell jokes, stories in our native language like Hindi or Punjabi or Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada. But if you want to speak in English, if you want to improve your English part, just try to tell that story or a joke in English. They might be more fun. Use these interesting tips, DIY tips, to improve your English speaking. And I assure you that these will actually help you in improving. Thank you very much.